Hello, dear children. We are going to start with a new lesson today. It is called estimation. You know what is estimation? Is to you have an idea about the value of something. Okay, so it might not be the exact value, but we are just very close to that value. That is called estimation. So some people can estimate things very nicely. They have a very good power of estimation. So we'll just see what is estimation. Estimation means to make an idea about quantities, to judge approximate size, cost, population, etc. For example, cost of construction of a building does not exceed 5 crores. That is, we are giving an estimate that it can be 5 crores. The cost of a building can be around 5 crores. Or approximately 5,000 articles will be supplied every year. Population of a town in a year will be approximately 3 to 6 lakhs. The size of school playground is approximately 1850 square meter. So these are all estimation. So when you say that the size of school playground is approximately 1850, that doesn't mean that it is exactly 1850, but it is around 1850 square meter. Okay, so that is how estimation is done. Then estimation is also known as rounding off to the nearest 10 or nearest 100 or nearest 1000, etc. Suppose we say that to your parents that you want a shoe. So the cost of the shoe might be 652 rupees or 655 rupees, but you will say it is around 700. Okay, so you estimate it into a bigger amount. So here we will learn how to round off a number to the nearest 10. So we have to focus on making it in 10. That is, either it is 50, 60, 70. Your answers should be in tens. Okay, that is the idea. That 50, 60, 70, 90, 100, 120, 140, 150. So like that we are rounding off. Or 550, 560, 570, like that the answers should come. It shouldn't come 555. Okay, so the 10 you have to round off and give the answer in tens. So what do you do for that? See the digit at the units place. So when we are rounding off to tens place, we have to see the digit at the units place. Okay, so when you look at the digit at the units place, you have to see if the digit is less than 5 or more than 5. So, okay, so you just think that less than 5 means a poor digit. More than 5 means it is a rich one. Okay, so when a poor one goes, that is if the digit is less than 5 and it leaves we are rounding it off, when we are sending it off, then you just have to place a vacant place, that is that digit you will make as 0. Understand? Like you have a number to round off 542 to the nearest 10. So what you will do, you have to look at the digit at the units place or ones place, this place. Okay, so what is the number? 2. If it is more than 5 or less than 5, so we will say it is less than 5. Okay, so a very poor digit. When this poor digit goes, it will simply silently leave the place. Okay, so you will put a 0 here. When it goes, you will put a 0 and nothing else will change. There will be no change. So the answer will be 540. So when you round off 542, you get what? 540. Clear? Now, otherwise also you can think that, see, 542 lies between which tens? 540 and 550. To which number it is closer to? Is it closer to 540 or 550? So we know that it is closer to 540. So our answer will be 540. Understood? Now rounding off to the nearest 10, another example. If the digit at one's place is 5 or more than 5, then increase the tens digit by 1. So you have to increase the tens digit by 1. Because a rich one is going. So when a rich one is going, it will give something to its neighbor and go. So it is giving a gift to the neighboring number and going off, saying bye bye. Okay. So let us see here, like round off 586 to the nearest 10. So you look at the units place. What is the unit place? 6. So 6 is, you have to think whether it is more than 5 or less than 5. So we say 6 is more than 5. So rich number. 6 is a rich number. So when it goes, its place will, the place will become vacant. That is, you put a 0 there. But when it goes, it gives a gift to its neighbor. So who is the neighbor of 6? 8. So it will give 1 to its neighbor. It will make it bigger. So by 1. So it will become, 8 will become 9. So your answer will be 590. Okay? You understood? When a digit bigger than 5 goes off, it will increase the tens digit by 1. Neighboring digit by 1. You understood? So otherwise also you can think 586 lies between which tens? 580 and 590. But we know that 586 is closer to 590. Because the middle number is 585 and it has crossed and come to 586. So we can say that you can round it off as what? 590. Now we will do some questions from the exercise. Exercise 2a. Round off to the nearest 10. So you see here number is 62. What will we do? Look at the digit at the ones place. What is it? 2. 2 is less than 5. A poor man, he is going off. So 2 will just say bye bye and go off. Will not give anything to anybody. 2 will say bye bye and go. And so we will make it that position as 0. So the answer will be 60. Next question. You see 265. So see the digit at the ones place. 5. So 5 and more than 5 are all rich people. So when 5 goes, it will give something, a gift to the tens digit. 1, it will increase it by 1. So 5 will go, so that place will become 0. And because it is 6, 6 will get a gift and it will become 7. So what is the answer? 270. Next you see, what is the digit at the units place in this number? 6. Rich or poor? 6 is a rich number, isn't it? So it is saying bye and going off. When 6 goes off, that place will become 0. But it will give a gift to the neighbor. 2. 2 is the neighbor. So 2 becomes 3. So what will be the answer? 72,330. Okay. Now these are some questions. 1 or 2 I have done. The others you have to do and send it to me today.